Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to view saved Facebook password on iPhone. So if you ever saved your Facebook account login credential or passwords on your iPhone, then here are two different methods where you will get your saved Facebook passwords. In first method, we will view our password using our iPhone settings app. So go to your iPhone settings app and scroll down until you see passwords. Tap on passwords. Now you have to verify your Face ID or your passcode. Once you successfully verified, then you will be able to see all saved passwords here. Now scroll down and search for Facebook. Now tap on facebook.com and here you will see this Facebook account username and this account password. So this was the first way to view saved Facebook password, and in second way we will see saved password on our Google account. So you have to open a Google app. You can open any Google app. So I'm opening my Gmail and tapping on my profile photo, and here just tap on manage your Google account. And in this page, select security. And under security, scroll down and here just tap on password manager. And here you will find all of your saved passwords. And as you can see, here's Facebook. So I'm tapping on Facebook, and now you have to verify your Google account password. So right here, your account password. And just tap on next. Once you successfully verified your password, here you will see your saved Facebook account username or email, and here you will see your password. To make visible your password, just tap on this little eye icon and your password will be visible. By tapping on this copy icon, you will be able to copy your Facebook account password. So that's it for now. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.